Hello viewers, I want to explain 10th class chemistry chapters one by one. If you want to interested to follow me, please subscribe to my channel and keep watching my regular video uploadings. Now I am starting chapter 1, chemical reactions and equations. What is a chemical change? Reactants react to give product. During a chemical change, new substance will form with new chemical properties. If reactants react to give product, the product formed with new properties. Before the reaction, reactants have some chemical properties. After the reaction, product is formed. This product will have new properties, new chemical properties. These are examples of chemical changes. Rusting of iron, photosynthesis, formation of water, digestion of food. If we take iron article, in the presence of atmospheric moisture and air, iron article will damage. The rusting of iron will take place. The rust of iron is chemical substance iron oxide. Iron oxide is the new substance by the reaction of atmospheric moisture and air. Iron is damaged. That is called rusting of iron. Photosynthesis. Plants can prepare their food itself by using photosynthesis. That means the reaction between carbon dioxide and water. By the reaction between these two, by the presence of sunlight, the plants will prepare glucose. The product is glucose here and byproduct is oxygen. We are breathing the oxygen. So this is chemical change. Photosynthesis is a chemical change. Next, formation of water. The water will form by the reaction between hydrogen gas and oxygen gas. The liquid water will form. Here, hydrogen gas and oxygen gas have some properties before the reaction. After formation of liquid water, that have some properties, new properties. So, formation of water is also a chemical change. Next, digestion of food. We are eating food in our daily life. After digestion of food, blood is forming. So formation of blood by the digestion of food also a chemical change. So these are the examples of chemical changes in our daily life. So due to the reason we can say chemical change. During a chemical change, new substance will form with new chemical properties. Next, what is a chemical equation? Symbolic representation of a chemical change is called chemical equation. Generally, if we write complete names of the reactants and products, that is very inconvenient to us. That means in our chemistry we have so many lots of chemical reactions. If we write the chemical changes by using complete names of the reactants and products, that is very inconvenient and time waste. Due to the reason for our convenience, we are using chemical equations by the symbols of chemical substances. This is called chemical equation. So, according to law of conservation of mass, matter can neither be created nor destroyed. It can convert into one form to another form. So, in the reactant side, we have some type of atoms or molecules. After the reaction, the product is formed. So, the LHS always equals to RHS. That means the substances present in the left hand side should equal to the substances present in the right hand side. That means the number of atoms present in the left hand side should equal to number of atoms present in the right hand side. Or the mass of the substances present in the left hand side should equal to the mass of substances present in the right hand side. This is law of conservation of mass. According to law of conservation of mass, always the number of atoms of reactants and the number of atoms of products should be equal. Due to the reason, according to law of conservation of mass, it is important to balance an unbalanced chemical equation. In the 10th class board examinations, they will give some unbalanced chemical equations. So, we need to balance the unbalanced chemical equations. So, this is unbalanced chemical equation. The unbalanced chemical equation also we can call as skeletal equation. If we observe the example equation, here hydrogen is in the gaseous form. Two hydrogens are there. Oxygen is in the gaseous form, so number of oxygens are 2. Here in the product side, hydrogens are 2, oxygen is 1. So here hydrogens 2, here hydrogens 2, here oxygens 2, here oxygen 1. So we need to balance oxygen. Already hydrogens are balanced. we need to balance oxygen. So now this total equation is called unbalanced equation or skeletal equation. By the balancing the chemical equation, that is correct to represent a chemical sufficient correct chemical equation. So we need balancing of chemical equations. How to balance an unbalanced chemical equation? Next, I want to explain the method of balancing unbalanced chemical equation or skeletal equation.